call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely.
Hi, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing a hair review. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. The subscribe button is over there. You can see that red it's right, subscribe. So you can go ahead and subscribe. So the hair that I got, it's from Amazon. It's called Amanda's Hair. It's 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's curly, and it's 12-inch. So I paid $36 for it, and for the shipping, I bought it on Saturday, and today is Monday, so it's really fast. I use Amazon Prime, and it came within 2 days. So Amanda's here. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it now, and you guys can see. So this is how it looks, and it came with a lash, a MAC color eyelash, and then this is how the hair is. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take it out. So it tells you it's a 12-inch. Okay, and then I took the black thing off, and so this is how the inside of the hair look. It comes with 2 clips, 2 at the side, one at the front, and 1 in the back, and it's already pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked also, so yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so it came pre-plucked. So let me try it on and see how it looks. I'm gonna just try it on today to let you guys see how it looks, and then I'll install it and I'll put a different video. So you can stay tuned to that video that's coming up. I got my Got2b glue, but it didn't came in with the rest of the stuff. It's coming on Thursday. So Thursday I'll do an install review. I'm just gonna put it on. And that's how it looks. That's how it looks. So let me go ahead and I'll part it so you guys can see. So much together. Yeah. So this is the hair, and I like it. So it's very soft. It's very soft, and it have a little shedding. You can see right here. But that's okay. They have a little shedding, but not much. And this is the back of the hair. So this is how it looks at the back. So yeah. So I'll keep you guys up to date, and I'll give you guys a 1-month review and an install review. Alright, so thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.